When an individual acknowledges to themselves and to the world that they're guilty of some crime, and they're wondering, do they still need an attorney? That's all the more reason you do need an attorney. You need to have a skilled professional communicate your special circumstances, the mitigating circumstances, the special qualities about you as a person, first to a prosecutor to get them to where they make some exceptions for your situation if possible, and eventually to a judge. That can be the difference between not going to jail or prison or going to jail or prison, and it can make the difference between going to jail or prison for a short period of time or for a very long period of time. Someone has got to go to bat for you in the system, all the more so when you're guilty, so that you can be treated fairly and give you a chance to rehabilitate yourself if that's appropriate, and to lessen the consequences of the mistake you made.